Kitos!
An ocean of sentient beings swimming, friends in the seas, subjects with minds so true, caring is what we need to do. Fishes feel a lot of pain. Catching them is not humane. How does saving the ocean look if we don't leave them off the hook? Endless nets are such a threat to trillion individuals, but we're in debt. Catch, let's reset. Cruel visions we must forget. Fishes feel a lot of pain. Catching them is not humane. How does saving the ocean look if we don't leave them off the hook? Leave them off the hook. Fishes feel a lot of pain. Catching them is not humane. How does saving the ocean look if we don't leave them off the hook?